You had what feels like a great headshot session. But when you see the proofs, you notice a few things that you really wish weren't there, or maybe if they were there, they would be higher, tighter, and more chiseled. But they're not. Your headshot is about accurately representing yourself as you are today, for better or worse. It's not the place to try out every experimental filter and see if you can dissolve every wrinkle in your face. Nope, it's just about you because that's who your audience wants to see, connect with, and hire. They really do want to work with you, the real you. Trust me, no catfishing required. Okay, that's great, but seriously, what can be fixed in Photoshop? Here's my take. I believe retouching should be used to help us be the best version of ourselves today, not from 20 years ago. That means we will soften wrinkles, eliminate blemishes, and give some extra attention to those under-eye circles. If you want more than that, I photographed a bunch of dermatologists. I'd be happy to make a referral. Professional makeup goes a long way here too. While not required, it does elevate the baseline. And a good makeup artist will make sure everything is dialed in for on-camera perfection. We can usually reduce the glare in your glasses too, if we weren't able to fully address it in camera. Remember though, we notice glare on our own glasses far more than we notice it on anybody else's. So don't get too hung up on this. What if you cut yourself shaving the day before, or wake up with a big zit? Don't panic. These are actually some of the easiest things to deal with in Photoshop. Can't AI retouching just fix it all? While I use and continue to test various options when it comes to AI retouching, many of the things I like to do on an image still need some manual intervention. For my studio clients, I will make notes for my retoucher on each image based on client feedback. Depending on the use case, volume headshots, for example, you may see an AI retouching option. That's going to cover the basics very efficiently on a lot of images, but it won't get to the unique challenges of each image. Think glasses glare, hair details, or clothing corrections, for example. All of the new AI stuff won't help you subscribe to the channel, though. I'd appreciate it if you take a second, hit subscribe. You know the drill. Thanks. Hair. We'll clean up the flyaways, so don't worry about those. I just want to make sure you're happy with your overall hairstyle and placement of hair. If you end up wanting a little more volume on one side or the other, or would prefer a little shaping on one side, let me know. That's usually not a problem. Can we get rid of a few gray hairs? Usually. Just ask. But you've earned those gray hairs. It's a sign of experience, so don't be so quick to get rid of them. An observation on hair. Go easy on the hairspray. It never seems to solve all the problems. Clothing. It's always best to start with well-fitted clothing. I've got some other videos on that. For my clients, I will usually clean up the edges of jackets or sleeves. It adds a nice polish to the image. And it's not something you're going to notice right away, but if you compare it as a side-by-side, it would be definitely obvious. Can we change your clothes? Can we fix your clothes? Reconstructing garments gets really tricky, and that's usually not something that's going to be covered in standard retouching, if it could be done at all and look believable. I recently tried adding suit pants on a client who came in with shorts, and that was a mess, so just wear the right pants. As another client pointed out, they should be on the same hanger in your closet. It's not hard. Your expression. This has to be 100% natural. No crazy AI filters. I believe this is the art of the process. It's my job to make sure you have a great experience and maybe even a little fun. If I can't get some good, natural, and authentic expressions, then I'm not doing my job. If you want to engineer every last muscle in your face, I'm probably not for you. Just use an emoji or avatar generator. The portrait has survived a lot of technology changes in the last century, and it's still kicking. There's just something appealing about seeing another real human face. So what questions do you have about retouching your headshot? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.